This is an emergency video for the people affected by Hurricane Helen. We will be teaching you how to turn your car into a generator. You will be needing an inverter, which you can purchase at Walmart. It should be at least 800 watts. Simply connect the red cable to the positive terminal of the battery as such. And now connect the black cable to the negative terminal of the battery as shown. Once you have done that, you are ready to power up the inverter. You have two options: running the inverter only from the battery, or turning on the engine and running it from engine power. I recommend you turn on the engine, if safe to do so the inverter will not drain the battery. If you don't turn on the engine, the battery will die out in a few minutes. Of course, if the engine will not turn on because it was damaged by the flood, at least you can run the inverter for a few minutes. It is now connected, and you can turn on the inverter by pressing the power button. And now you are ready to plug in your devices into the inverter's outlets. With the inverter now running, you can connect various devices that total up to 1,000 watts, such as a TV, mini microwaves, or small refrigerator. You can also charge your phone with the USB port or use an adapter. Now let's turn on the engine. Alright, now that the engine is running, as long as you have gasoline in the fuel tank, your inverter will provide you with 1,000 watts. And remember, it's better to have the engine running so the battery will not drain out. Make sure there is plenty of ventilation around the car when the engine is running. This was an emergency presentation by Skywind 007.